Quick update on DEGEN here. So DEGEN, as we went over on the live streams and the last couple of updates, the high to the low off of this bottom at the 009 level, we needed to get over the much larger 382 here at a penny and a half, which did not occur. You can see we smacked right into it. Now we're pulling back. And if we look here on the daily chart from this area here, making the lower high, and then we have the peak here making a higher high on the stock RSI. We did have that bearish divergence here that we did point out right at that 382 area once it hit there. So we're coming down now. Looking on the smaller one, low to the high, you can see we're down below the 382 at 1.2, and it appears we're coming down to the 0.5 at 1.1, and possibly pretty much down to a penny again at the 618. So as of right now, as long as the momentum is down pretty much on the whole market, you can see that another 9% drop possibly, and we could even come all the way down to the bottom here once again, back to our box, back down to that 009 level. But if we could stay over a penny, that is the 618.786 here. We'll see what happens. If you can get back over 1.2 and then 1.3 here, we'll be back to being short-term bullish on DEGEN. But the fact that we had that divergence and we got stuck right at that 382 there is not a good sign at the moment. So we'll see what happens here. But overall, on the overall chart here, you can see, let me go ahead and move this one off for now. But let me say one more thing. The high here to the low short term, this move down will be officially over once you get over this 2 penny 618 here. And then we can start being happy for the price of DEGEN, if you will. But right now, you're sitting right on the 0.5 at 1.2. And like I said, we couldn't come back down to this trend and hold this box once again and just kind of chop around for a little bit. So the big price to get back over is 1.7, and then ultimately we can focus on the higher prices here. So on the much larger time frame, 3-day and the weekly, the momentum is starting to come back up a little bit here. But like I said, we're getting stuck at the moment. So DEGEN here, the big question is, where is it going to end up this cycle? So we do have the top target here. If you think a 9 to 10 billion market cap, up around the 50 cent area would give you about a 44x. To be a little more conservative, 26, maybe you hit 30 as a 4.5, maybe a 5 billion market cap on this thing, and you would do a 21, 22x from where it is today in price. But the first target we have to hit is, of course, the new high 1272 at 16 if we ever start going back up, and do about a 13.5x to that 2.7 billion market cap. But like I keep saying, the overall chart here, even though we had this pullback, you're making higher highs and higher lows. It does not look bad. It's curled up here on the macro, so it looks good in my opinion if you're holding this thing for this run in 2025. So of course, comment down below. What are your thoughts? None of this is financial advice, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.